If you've ever hosted a holiday dinner and realized way too late that your oven can't handle the turkey, side dishes, and everything else at the same time, you already know how stressful big family cooking can become. One dish gets cold while another still isn't finished, and somehow you end up spending the entire day stuck in the kitchen instead of actually enjoying the gathering. That's exactly the kind of problem the Heynemo 24-quart roaster oven is trying to solve. It's designed for large family meals, holiday hosting, meal prep, and anyone who wants a more flexible cooking setup without relying completely on a traditional oven. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that immediately makes this roaster different from most competitors is the three-compartment buffet tray system. That's honestly one of the smartest features here because it allows you to prepare or serve multiple dishes at once without everything blending. For holiday dinners or parties, that setup becomes incredibly convenient. You can keep vegetables, mashed potatoes, and meat warm simultaneously without needing separate warming trays all over the counter. It turns the roaster into more than just a turkey cooker and makes it feel genuinely useful for entertaining. Design-wise, the stainless steel exterior gives it a clean and fairly modern appearance without feeling overly bulky. Even though this is a large capacity appliance, it still looks manageable on a countertop rather than industrial or intimidating. The self-basting lid is another practical feature that actually improves the cooking experience. Instead of constantly opening the lid to baste meat manually and losing heat every time, moisture circulates naturally inside the oven, helping larger cuts of meat stay juicy throughout longer cooking sessions. The viewing lid also lets you check progress quickly without interrupting the cooking process. The overall build feels practical and beginner-friendly. The removable roasting pan and rack make lifting heavy foods much easier, especially when dealing with large turkeys or roasts. The anti-scald handles are another small detail that becomes very important once the appliance is fully heated and loaded with food. This was designed with actual family cooking situations in mind, rather than just looking good in product photos. In terms of performance, the adjustable temperature controls from 150 to 450 degrees give you enough flexibility for far more than just roasting turkey. You can slow cook stews, bake casseroles, steam vegetables, warm dishes during parties, or even defrost meat much faster than waiting overnight in the refrigerator. That versatility makes it useful year-round instead of becoming a one-season appliance that only comes out during Thanksgiving. The heating performance also feels fairly consistent during longer cooking sessions. Because the enclosed space is smaller than a full-size oven, it tends to retain moisture better, which helps reduce dry spots when roasting poultry or larger cuts of meat. And compared to traditional ovens, this setup heats up relatively quickly, which can save time during busy meal prep days. Noise levels stay minimal, too, so it quietly runs in the background without becoming distracting. One area where this roaster really helps is convenience after cooking. Cleanup is surprisingly manageable because the removable enamel on steel pan lifts out easily and wipes down without too much effort. Anyone who has spent an hour scrubbing a full-size oven after a holiday dinner will immediately appreciate that difference. The separate buffet trays are also easier to clean than managing several extra serving dishes. Now, to keep this review balanced, there are a few trade-offs. First, this is still a fairly large appliance, so kitchen storage matters. If you have limited cabinet space, finding a place for it could be challenging. Also, while the buffet tray setup is incredibly useful for entertaining, not everyone will use that feature regularly outside of holidays or gatherings. And while the controls are easy to understand, they're definitely more functional than premium. Compared to similarly priced roaster ovens, though, the Heynemo model stands out because of its added versatility. A lot of roaster ovens focus only on turkey cooking, while this one doubles as a serving and warming station for parties and large meals. That extra functionality gives it a stronger value advantage for families who entertain often. Overall, the Heynemo 24-quart roaster oven feels like a genuinely practical upgrade for busy households, holiday hosts, and anyone tired of overcrowding their main oven during family meals. It simplifies cooking, helps keep food warm and organized, and reduces a lot of the stress that usually comes with preparing large dinners. If that sounds useful for your kitchen setup, check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before holiday demand starts reducing stock. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest product reviews focused on real-world use instead of marketing hype.